allow me to say at the outset, with no offense whatsoever intended to the good people or the city of New York, how good it feels to host a Cadillac event in a city where it all started for us. Cadillac is back in Detroit and more determined than ever to reclaim the mantle of Catalyst, to once again become the pinnacle of mobility. This historic product assault has already helped us set a new high water mark for Cadillac in 2018, with more than 380,000 total sales on a global basis. And certainly, we're working to drive growth for Cadillac in the US and markets around the world. As the Cadillac plan unfolds, you'll see our continued commitment to the sedan market and to our successful V-Series. You'll see our commitment to rolling out Super Cruise across the full Cadillac portfolio beginning next year. And in case you missed it, Consumer Reports ranked Super Cruise as the industry's leading semi-autonomous technology. Yes, even outranking Tesla's Autopilot. And just this week, Autoblog named Super Cruise its Technology of the Year. Now, importantly, our product plan creates Cadillac's first true family of SUVs, which is going to accelerate Cadillac's growth around the world. That story begins with the iconic Escalade. It continues with the midsize XT5, our best-selling model the world over, and our first ever compact luxury crossover, Cadillac XT4, which joined the fight in September, and by November, went straight to #1 in its segment. So tonight, we're excited to introduce another new player, an elegant and spacious 3-row luxury crossover positioned between the XT5 and the Escalade, a vehicle that offers room for new possibilities. So ladies and gentlemen, the 2020 Cadillac XT6 Sport. It's driving into a fast-growing segment with class-leading spaciousness, safety, and convenience. It joins the compact XT4, midsize XT5, and the iconic Escalade to accelerate the brand's global growth with a spirit that is uniquely Cadillac. XT6 is for families that refuse to sacrifice style or luxury. It's full of thoughtful details, ensuring that every seat is the best seat in the house. Now, like XT4, XT6 will come to market with 2 distinct personas, and we call this our Y strategy, which gives our customers distinct choices for a customized appearance and matching driving character straight from the factory. The XT6 Sport models, like the vehicle that you see here, feature more aggressive elements such as gloss black exterior details and carbon fiber interior accents, including optional 21-inch wheels for the first time on a Cadillac crossover. Now contrast that with this, the XT6 Premium Luxury model. The latest iteration of our Cadillac user experience provides more ways to interface with the system, including one-touch phone pairing via near-field communication, and a new rotary controller with an intuitive jog functionality. But as everyone in this business is aware, we live in 2 worlds. We live in the now, and we live in the future. Now, disruption for its own sake is easy. It's quite another thing to raise one's hand to create a more livable and sustainable future. We are working to elevate Cadillac to a position we describe as the pinnacle of mobility. Now, what does that mean? It means that Cadillac will take the lead in GM's commitment to a world of 0 crashes, 0 emissions, and 0 congestion. So this is the canvas upon which we will paint an exciting and profitable EV program. We can build literally everything in the portfolio, CUVs, SUVs, and cars in front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive. Now, this EV will provide the foundation for an entirely new kind of Cadillac, an electric crossover that's targeted at the heart of the global luxury market, and very importantly, accessible to that market. Now, while I can't divulge all of our secrets, I can tell you that it'll be sold globally and will arrive as the vanguard of the product wave that follows our current 3-year product assault.
The vehicle on the screen was truly the embodiment of what Steve referred to as the pinnacle of mobility. Far from a distant future vision, it is in fact not too far from reality. The new electrical architecture provides our design team with numerous opportunities, beginning with the opportunity to redefine the fundamentals of exterior proportions and stance. Our vision is to execute all our vehicles, including this, our first new entry developed off an all-new electric platform, to the levels that befit the Cadillac name.
So you've just had your first glimpse of Cadillac's future. Cadillac intends to set the pace, much as we have for most of our 116 years. And we have the support and the engineering might of General Motors behind us.